Hello viewers, today I want to show another video. The video topics is based online income site for Australia. So let's check. Online payment gateway Australia. So let's check out this video. Okay, so a world-class payment gateway accept payments from customers across the globe with fast flexible statement in multiple currencies. And then get started today with no sign up fees and zero monthly account fees. And 100 plus glowing reviews on reviews, Spotify, BUI Commerce, Magento, and then a payment gateway built for global e-commerce. Offer currency flexibility for your global customers. Increase sales by allowing your customers to pay in their prepared currency. Settle in multiple currencies. Withdraw funds in multiple currencies such as USD, EUR, GBP straight into your dedicated global accounts. And then protect from fraud. Reduce chargebacks with our 3ds fraud engine in customizable risk settings and built-in dispute management. And an end-to-end payment gateway solution is a checkout, USA gateway, and then funds collected. Okay, and then integrate seamlessly with your Aerolex business account. Use your funds received from the payment gateway to make direct payments to your suppliers, staff or card payments. And then fast payment settlement. Improve your business cash flow with faster payment settlement and minimal delays on your payouts. Full visibility of your global revenue and expenses. Make reconciliation a breeze by integrating with 0 to cents your multi-currency transactions. And then improving merchants, improving their customers multi-currency pricing and settlement. Have a better checkout experience. Settle in your currency of choice with no hidden conversation and fees, all without the hassle of setting up multiple entities. Multi-currency pricings. Customers can select a prepared payment currency and type at checkout, delivering cost transparency and flexibility. So everyone will be fine until today. Take care. Bye bye.